Alright, a 57 Chevy. All the chrome and everything's here on this car. 57 two-door, 210. Says the motor's okay on it. I love these 5.7s. All the Tri-5 cars were favorites of mine. This car is restorable because it's worth a bunch of money restored. Doesn't seem to be rusted out. A lot of surface rust. Here in Western North Carolina, these cars don't rot as bad because it's such low humidity most of the time. So that car is definitely doable and restorable. Let's take a look under the hood. All right. Dang. It's got the high performance valve covers on it. It's a 4-barrel. Man, this car's pretty nice. It's got Corvette valve covers on it. I wonder what the deal is on this motor. Looks to be double hump heads, 202s on it. You know, I like this car. Pretty cool.